As a shout out to all the dads out there on Father's Day, we want to talk about how fathers are made. So, without further ado, let's talk about sperm. Reproduction in mammals happens when a sperm meets an egg. You probably learned that at some point in school, but you may not know the finer points of exactly how the sperm and egg connect. Let's zoom down to the cellular level and find out exactly how it all works. First things first, for fertilization to happen, there needs to be an egg. Each month, an egg is released from the ovary and travels down a woman's fallopian tubes, ready to be fertilized by the sperm. The egg is one big cell coated with a squishy layer called the zona pellucida. Outside the zona pellucida are cumulus cells, which used to be part of the ovary and sort of just came along for the ride. Sperm are released near the cervix and respond to signals from the egg to move up the fallopian tube. Once sperm sense these signals, their flagella begin to move faster, and the race is on. However, sperm don't have a great sense of direction, and many will be lost here. It's a tough and treacherous course, and there can only be one winner. The next challenge is the cumulus cells, which the sperm need to knock aside in order to reach the zona pellucida. The sperm that make it this far bind zona pellucida receptors, which causes a tiny vesicle on the head of the sperm to break open and release enzymes which break down the zona pellucida. However, the race is still not over. It continues until one sperm reaches the membrane of the egg. Once there, the sperm binds to yet another receptor, which allows it to enter the egg and at last win the race. Many sperm have competed for this honor, but the first sperm to enter the egg is the victor. Just inside the egg, tiny pockets of enzymes are waiting by, and as soon as the winning sperm enters, those enzymes are released to the zona pellucida, causing it to become a hard, impenetrable barrier to other contending sperm. The entire sperm, including the tail, is taken up into the egg and breaks down. Both sperm and egg nuclei dissolve, and the DNA is replicated and separated. After the separation, all of the DNA is gathered into a single nucleus. Now, the real work of development starts. And 9 months later, a baby is born and fatherhood begins.